Heidi ho, my friends. Matthew here from the Medical Medium Way, and I'm excited because today I'm going to make the turmeric ginger garlic shot using the Omega juicer and the Orange X juicer. Let's get started. You can check out my video on the Orange X juicer. I've already done a video to talk about the Orange X juicer and how much I like it, and that I use it every day. So check that out. You can see how fast I can juice these oranges. These are beautiful navel oranges, little ones. I got a whole case, wholesale. Okay, that's the oranges. Now I'm going to cut up the turmeric and the ginger and the garlic a little bit so that it fits nicely in the Omega juicer. Beautiful turmeric. I like to cut the pieces small enough just so that they fit through the blades on the auger. And I typically run the ginger through first. I have the celery juicing blade cap on the front of the Omega juicer with it tightened the most, so I get the most juice out of the ginger and the turmeric. So let's see how this goes. So I run some ginger through there first, then I do the turmeric, and I don't even have to use the plunger yet because I cut these small enough to fit through. Oh. After the turmeric, then I run the garlic through. Not even, no pulp came out the front yet. Not even any pulp. That's pretty funny. I'm going to use the plunger just a little bit here. Okay. There's a little pulp coming out now, just a little bit of pulp. Let's get our juice. Okay, I think that's it. So we'll add the turmeric, ginger, and garlic to our orange juice. And I like to mix them well. And that's our turmeric, ginger, garlic shot. That's a lot more than a shot. That's about, I don't know, 10 ounces, maybe more. So, woo, good. It's good stuff. Nice and hot, spicy, delicious, very healing. It's really helping me clear out my sinuses and my chronic sinusitis. And I think it's the garlic has really been doing a great job getting rid of strep. This fiery immune boosting shot is a tasty go-to option at the first sign of a cold. These shots will help your body fight back against anything that tries to come against it, including congestion, cough, sore throat, cold, flu, and or sinus problems. The turmeric ginger shot recipe is on page 220 in the Life-Changing Foods book by Anthony William. So that's the Omega juicer with turmeric, ginger, and garlic, and the Orange X juicer with some navel oranges, and the turmeric, ginger, garlic shot from Medical Medium. Thank you for watching The Medical Medium Way, where I help those with chronic illness by sharing the powerful medical scripture brought to us by Anthony William, the medical medium. I'm healing, and so can you. Cheers.